What if I told you Samsung is bringing flagship vibes to its mid-range lineup? Yes, this is about to get interesting. After officially unveiling the Samsung Galaxy S26 series, Samsung is now shifting full attention to its upcoming A series devices. And according to trusted tipster Roland Quandt, the color options for the Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57 have just surfaced, and they're far from ordinary. Samsung is reportedly preparing 5 stunning shades for each device, and here's the exciting part. Many of these colors originally debuted on flagship Galaxy S and Z series smartphones. Let's start with the Galaxy A37. It's expected to arrive in white, charcoal, gray-green, lavender, and navy. Meanwhile, the Galaxy A57 could launch in charcoal, icy blue, gray, lilac, and navy. Now here's where things get even more interesting. The gray-green finish on the A37 was actually the signature standout color of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold4 Icy Blue on the A57, first appeared as the hero shade of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5, and it later returned as a core option for the Samsung Galaxy S25 and S25 FE. Navy, featured on both the A37 and A57, carries that deep matte finish vibe that was a primary color on the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus. And charcoal? It's basically the refined evolution of graphite and phantom black from the Samsung Galaxy S23 series and S24 lineup. Samsung clearly played it smart with the S26 color strategy, and now it's bringing that same premium identity to its 2026 mid-range models. This move makes the A37 and A57 look and feel far more flagship-inspired than ever before. The Galaxy S26 series is already up for pre-orders, with its official release set for March 11th. As for the A37 and A57, we could see them launching by late March or early April. And make no mistake, these phones are crucial for Samsung when it comes to volume sales and dominating the mid-range market. So, what do you think about these flagship-inspired colors? Which one are you picking? Drop your favorite shade in the comments. Like this video if you're excited for the Galaxy A37 and A57. And don't forget to subscribe for all the latest Samsung leaks, updates, and hidden features.